In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift support or the hood strut on this Hyundai Sonata. It goes from the driver's side strut tower all the way up to the hood to help it stay open and open as soon as you unlatch it. Let's get started. Because the hood won't stay open once we unclip this, I have a hood prop rod right here holding it up. If you don't have this, you could have an assistant help hold the hood in place. Otherwise, it will want to fall down as soon as we disconnect the lift support. To get this disconnected, you need a pocket screwdriver or a pick or really anything that'll get right in here. And this being the top of the hood support, it's mounted right to the hood. Unclip this metal clip and pull this away. Just like that. Wipe this mount off to make sure there's no debris in the way. And now take the new hood support and clip it on. Just press it until it clicks. There's a little bit of grease in here, so there's no need to apply anything extra. At the bottom, we're going to do the same thing. Unclip it. Wipe it clean. Take the new one, twist it if necessary to get it to line up. Move the hood up or down. Clip it on, and that's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.